I hear so many people say guacamole. That's not exactly how you call it. The proper name for it is guacamole, and this time I make it with edamame. Defrost your edamame, ideally overnight in the fridge, but if you don't have much time, just put them in cold water and drain it. Rinse your cilantro with cold water and make sure you lift the cilantro from the bowl instead of draining the water, and dry it as much as possible with the paper towels. Chop cilantro, but do not bruise the herbs by over chopping them, which will make the cutting board much more flavorful than your guacamole. Time to cut the onion. Just score it in different directions first and cut it into smaller dices, and run your knife several times over to get smaller pieces. Make sure the head of your avocado is brown to choose the ripe ones. Cut it in half and twist open. Remove the core with the heel of your knife. Place a wire rack on top of a bowl and punch the avocado halves through to get more chunky, interesting texture. Cut limes and score them for juicing and add it to your avocado as quickly as possible to avoid your avocados to turn brown. Add edamame, chopped onions, cilantro, season with salt and mix. Then it's done. Now it's time to open up that good old bag of nope, let's make it a bit more exciting. Get the rice papers ready by simply cutting them into quarters. Heat up the neutral flavor oil to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick fry the rice paper and you will get this. Seasoning is so simple that you just mix togarashi, which is a Japanese blended spices, and kosher salt for about 1:1 ratio. Now you're ready to plate. For plating, you just scoop and stack the guacamole in a bowl and add some lime zest on top. Put it on the center of the plate and place the chips around it. And garnish with cilantro. So this is it. Thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos.